What's up? Late ka. Ha? Tapos basa pa yung pet mo.
Kaya, ginagawa niya kahapon sir. Ilan na? Boxing kami yan, boxing. Straight, straight, jump straight, straight, straight to straight, straight, nice uppercut, jump straight, straight, weaving, straight to straight, back, ulit, weaving, straight to straight, back, straight, nice, backward, straight, jump straight, straight, uppercut dalawa, jump straight, straight, apat, isa, tapos kamay lagi, backward, double jump straight, yun, isa pa, jump straight, jump straight, uppercut, jump straight.
Dito ka lang sa may dito ka lang kay Kuya Clark. Ganyan kayo lang oh. Sunod ka ulit.
Straight, jump straight, hook straight, straight, yan.
Bilis.
Maluwag ng shoot na nalalaglag na. Straight, jump straight, hook straight, straight, yan, tas kamay, weaving, yan, harap yan, double jump, straight, jump straight, apat, isa, yan, uppercut dalawa, hook, jump straight, hook straight, yan, backward, jump straight, weaving, back, straight hook straight, back, straight, jump straight, yan, uy, straight, jump straight, uppercut dalawa, yan, jump straight, apat, isa, backward, weaving dalawa, yan, jump straight, weaving, straight hook straight, back, straight, yan, kamay, uppercut dalawa, hook, jump straight, apat, isa, backward, double jump straight, hook straight, back, hook, yun, straight, hook straight, jump straight, backward, weaving dalawa, hook, yun, uppercut dalawa, jump straight, apat, isa, konti na yung cut,
Konti na lang.
straight,
Konti na lang.
dalawa, uppercut. 30 seconds na lang.
30 seconds lang.
Jump straight. Ayaw na! Jump straight weaving. Straight. Pak. Yan, ganyan. Mabilis na. Backward. Yan. Jump straight.
Si Lucas.
Uppercut. Pak straight. Jump straight weaving. Straight. Pak. Straight. Yan. Backward. Uppercut. Hook. Jump straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, grab straight. Jump straight. Jump straight. Tutok. Gili, lakas.
Bilis. Ayaw mo sa akla. Oo. Alis yan.
Yan, dali. Yan. Dalawa.
Weaving. Ha?
Wala.
Weaving.
Galit na yan. Weaving. Kabila. Jump straight. Jump back. Yan. Jump straight. Dali. Jump straight. Walk. Yan. Ulit. Back. Yan. Isa pa. Weaving. Yun, sa gila. Oh, full jump straight. Pak, weaving. Yun, sa gila yun. Jump straight. Gimit. Hook, malakas. Weaving, wow. Dali, sige, suntok, malakas. Yan, marami. Yan, dali. Yun, sige. Hook, hook. Hook, hook. Hook, hook, weaving. Oh, kabila. Dali na, dali. Oh, suntok. Hook. Weave, hook. Oh, dali. Weave, oh. Oh, suntok. Oh, mga. Angat. 1, angat. 3, 2, sit up. 3, 4. Okay na, dali na, baksin na.
Okay.
Sino first?
Ako.
Ah, ikaw first.
Kuya mo na.
Kuya first.
Higa ka muna dito. Higa ka.
Bilis na rin, mabilis yung ano, suntok mo. Yan, jump. Straight. Sige, go. Jump straight. Straight. Jump straight, weaving. Straight, straight. Back, straight. Apat. Isa. Yan, backward. Jump straight. Dito straight. Back. Hook. Jump straight, dalawa. Jump straight. Straight. Weaving. Straight, straight. Back. Isa. Double jump straight, hook straight. Hook, straight. 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 Uppercut. Jump straight. Oh, dito, dali. Hook. Sige. Hook. Ulit. Jump straight. Siya. Uppercut. Jump straight. Straight. Okay.
Mami.
2,
Mami,
3,
Mami,
4,
kakaut ko lang.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay na. Stretching.
Look. Si daddy.
Mami, kakaut ko lang.
Kulit mo na. Sorry.
Isa. Isa, Lucas. No. Isa.
Okay, kuya. Dapa.
Ayan, ano naman? Bagang.
Oh,
Isa.
bigat mo siguro, no?
Ang bigat nga niyan eh.
Wow.
Parang half kilos.
Parang isang kabang bigas. Isang kabang bigas yung bigat ni Loka.
Is.
May videos pa sir, pasyente sir. Video niyan kahapon, ma'am. May video siya kahapon, maganda yung kuha. Sa kanya, oh. Mamaya, papasyente sir. Kahapon.
Ay, ang sarap. May libreng massage. Ay,
Okay. Okay, next week ulit. Maluwag na daw ang short niya. Ikaw din, kilite. Ah.
oh. Binagaya ka din, Clark. Tignan mo yung pag ano-ano niya sa mata niya.
Kinitik kita.